Children, MS Word is a powerful word processor with many built-in tools to format documents. In this lesson, we will learn some more advanced features of MS Word. A Word document may consist of paragraphs such as autobiographies, essays, etc. There are various formatting actions which can be performed on a document containing text in the form of paragraphs. So what is word processing? A word processor used for the production of any sort of printable material. It can be including composition, editing, formatting. So what are the application of word processing? The application areas of word processing are business, education, home, anywhere we can use. To do any kind of formatting or editing, we just need to simply select the text and we can do necessary changes and any kind of editing on the text. Previously, the word processor used to look like this, word processing typewriter. Now with the modern technology, computer, where we can do the word processing. So why do we choose this word processing? What are the advantages of this? It is faster, it can edit documents, it can change font style, color, size, it can change layout, and it can print many copies. As it has so many advantages, so nowadays we use word processing and it is most commonly used everywhere in almost every areas. There are many word processing software like WordPad, MS Word, Google Docs, Notepad. Though today we will discuss about MS Word, but WordPad, Google Docs, Notepad are also word processing software. How does the word screen look like? We will just have a look on the word screen layout. The word screen contains a number of objects such as tab, menu, sub-menu, shortcut commands. So we will go in details to the next slide, but we should know that it had number of objects, tab, menu, sub-menus and all. First, ribbon tab. What is this ribbon tab? Where is it located? Ribbon tab is located below the quick access toolbar. It comprises 7 tabs: home, insert, page layout, references, mailing, review and view. The highlighted part, the red colored highlighted part, this is known as ribbon tab. Each tab has specific groups or of related commands. So the highlighted part is known as ribbon tab, and under this under the ribbon tab what are the options are given? Let us know once again. Under ribbon tab, first comes home, insert, design, layout, references, mailing, review and view. These are the part of ribbon tab. Next, home tab. Under the ribbon tab, the first option is home tab. And what are the groups are present in home tab? The circle part, can you see? Clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. Next comes insert tab. Under the insert tab, what are the groups are there? Pages, table, illustration, link, header and footer, text, symbol. Page layout tab, themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, arrange. These are the groups present under page layout tab. Reference tab. Reference tab is also one of the reference tab is also comes under ribbon tab. Under this reference tab, what are the groups are present? Table of content, footnote, citation and bibliography, captions, index, table of authorities. Next, mailings. Under this mailing, create, start mail merge, write and insert fields, preview result, finish. Review tab. Proofing, comments, tracking, changes, compare, protect. View tab. Look at the view tab and its groups. Under this view tab, document views, show or hide, zoom, window and macros. We have seen the different tabs under ribbon tab. This we are learning about MS Word. Thank you for watching.